Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make circles typewriting. So your typing will be on a round shape on a Canva by iOS or iPhone. So first thing, just open your Canva and find out the picture, the projects that you want to put the typewriting in. So here I already have mine, and then for the next step is just click this plus button to access some features of the Canva. Since we want to add text, just go into the text and you can choose either you want to add a heading or subheading or body of the text. So let's go with a heading, sorry, and then you just need to type is the text that you want to have. So for example, I want to type a morning coffee updates. Okay, and after you finish, you can also adjusting the size to make it smaller but in the one line, and after you done, you just need to click done. And for the next, you just need to take a look on these features on the bottom line. Okay, if it disappeared, just need to click the typewriting, and then you will be bring all the features back. You just need to slide into the left side to explore the features. So make sure that you found a effects tools. Just need to click it and then just go into the shape, and you can just click a curve, and now you can also adjusting the curve intensity or the curve shape of your typewriting. If you want to make it like circle, just need to slide into the right side until it's become like a round circles. But if you want to make it less, or you want to make another side of round circles, just need to slide into the left side, just adjusting everything. After you satisfy with your editing, you just need to click X. Now you can also adjusting the size of your typewriting by clicking this font size, and you can adjusting to make it a little bit smaller like this. Okay, right there, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, you can also adjusting the space by clicking the spacing and adjusting the letter spacing here. Put more spacing to make it more. Okay, I'm back. So this is the way how you make it. So after that, after adjusting the line, you also adjusting the position where you want to put the typewriting with. Okay, for example, just put it here or here. Okay, like here. Nice. And after you finish, you just need to export this editing by clicking this to download all of the project that you already have here. That's all the way to make a round typewriting on a Canva. If you found that this video is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.